and welcome to the 7 o'clock news. I am David Hunt and here are today's headlines. After Oxford has created the first vaccine for COVID-19, it has been tested in one of Coventry's hospitals. Brave divers have gone down 10,000 meters in the ocean and have found a new animal. And the new fidget toys have been popping around in playgrounds. But today's first top story is about the full golden ticket winner, Mike TV. And now we will be going live at the house with Ella Ray Hick.
Thank you, David. I am now here with Mike TV at his house. Mike TV, how did you win this stupendous prize?
I don't really know. It's because I don't really like chocolate, but I started buying these Wonka things because I like winning things.
Oh, okay. That's amazing. How did you celebrate?
By watching TV.
Okay. Have you got any views and messages for the viewers at home?
Wait, what? Wait, am I on TV? Wait, am I on TV? Yes, I'm on TV!
Okay, now we're going to ask some questions. Now I am with Mike TV's mum. How do you feel?
I'm so proud of him. He always wanted to be on TV. Don't know where he gets it from.
Okay, now we're going to head back to David in the studio.
Delicious cup of coffee. Oh wait, I'm back. Okay. Sorry about that, but don't go away for the break because after the break we'll be talking about the new vaccine that's been tested in Coventry.